Hello everyone, this is Ayodele Folari. We'll be looking at MMM, the Fair Financial System. We'll be looking at some few questions. What is MMM? What is the ideology of MMM? And how does MMM work? And we'll also be looking at the important rules you have to observe in MMM. Then we also look at the benefits you stand to gain when you join the MMM community. Now, let's look at the first question. What is MMM? MMM is just a social financial community of people that gather together to provide financial help to each other under no contract. While MMM provides a platform, the participant help provide financial assistance to one another. And it's also a global mutual aid fund. Then some people call it, we can call it World People's Bank. The only difference is that MMM does not collect money from the participant. Now in MMM, there are no lenders and no debtors. You are not actually taking a loan, but you are rendering financial assistance to one another. No central account where all the system flow to. So the fear that a top management official can go away with the money does not come in at all. The environment, the sole activity is just one demand for help, another provide help. Let's look at the ideology of MMM. The ideology is that only millionaires have the right to earn and live better can be changed. Is that of MMM. If you look at the financial system today, it is faulty. The financial institutions enslave the ordinary people. Now the financiers, the investors, they all work less and earn more, while the ordinary people work more and earn less. So, which is an unfair system. It actually shows that money is not the measure of labor in any form. And if we look at it, come to it really, why should the one that work more get less, and the one that work less get more? And they are holding power upon the ordinary man. Is just the money. Now we look at the head-end money that you put there without being rewarded for anything. Is there any equality at all between the ordinary people and the millionaires? Is there any equality? We have been hearing equal right, equal right, equal right. Use equal right to work, and yet you work more and you earn less, while the other one work less and earn more. That's actually where they work they live in a different way, they eat in a different way, they rest in a different way. Is there any equality in any form? Now we also look at equality in to right to work. When they work for a mega fair, and the economic slave drivers who are the millionaires earn millions and millions and billions for doing absolutely nothing. So it is actually unfair. So labor is not actually the measure of money is not the measure of labor. So this unjust gap must be closed, and that is where MMM, the fair financial system, comes in. So with this, we'll welcome you into the world of the fair financial system, which is MMM, and we really encourage you to look into the system because it works, and the return all participants has ever come back to it. So the MMM has come to stop bank from preying on you, despite the fact that you work more. And in the MMM system, it's not actually the goal is not even the money, but that to destroy the world's unfair financial system. But MMM has the capability of giving you 30% of your contribution per month, and with MMM you earn as you help. It's really cool for you to help people and still be earning alongside. How does MMM work? One participant asks for financial help, while another participant gives the financial help. It's just as simple as that. You can see the money is the transaction or the transfer of money goes between the participant, and in no way at all does it come into MMM purse. So MMM just provide a platform for willing participants to render as financial assistance to each other. Now this is just how MMM actually work. Now let's go further to look at a participant show willingness. You show willingness that you want to provide help by clicking provide help in your PO, your personal account. Your immediately your account is rewarded with a Mavro, which is equal to your your equal to your contributed amount, which is the Mavro is the internal currency of the MMS system, so it grows at a rate of 30% per month from the time you show willingness. And whenever you need help as well, you can also get it back. So as you help others, others also help you. So what are the important rules that you have to observe? I would really recommend that you go log on to go click on the link below to go to the website and browse through the system, the whole site, to get more of the information, of familiarize yourself with other rules, because there are several rules. And let's look at some few ones. No participant is allowed to have two accounts. You are not allowed to have two accounts, because one core value of MMM is about honesty. So in order to avoid to curb the issue of being dishonest using several accounts, this is disallowed. So, and if you try it, MMM system is just sensitive enough to recognize your account will be blocked. So that is one thing you should note. And two, it is recommended that you provide only your spare money. You provide financial help of only your spare money and not your life saving. Now, every participant that indicate to provide help must help when requested to do so. Otherwise, your system will be, your personal office also will be blocked, and you cannot do anything. Now, after payment, you should be able to upload your proof of payment after providing help. Otherwise, your account will be blocked as well. It is as good as you have not been able to, you have not made the payment or provided the help as promised. One is almost like a lack of honesty, because if you are honest, you actually do as you have vowed to do by clicking provide help. Now there are quite many other points or other reasons why, or other rules within the system. Now we can also now a participant referred family member cannot provide a help more than what the very person that refer the family member as pledge or provided help of. Now, no, so note these few things, and I think you'll be on your way to get your gain. Now, what are the benefits? One, you have one-time registration bonus when you pledge for of whatsoever you contribute. Now, you have, once you register and show willingness to provide help, and you will have 20%, $20 if you provide between $50 and $499. If you provide between $500 and $2,099, you have $50. For $100, it is for contribution above $3,000. Now, two, your Mavro, you have 30% growth rate of Mavro for all your contribution. It grows virtually until the time you actually pay the money to someone account. Then later you will be allowed or permitted to withdraw it into your account through get help. Now, so three, now for everyone you refer to join MMM community, you have 10% of 10% referral bonus, 10% of whatsoever the amount the person you refer contribute. So you surely have 10%. You can see that the benefit or the bonus you will get for joining MMM and working within the MMM community is growing. Now, if you become a guider, which is possible by the free training that MMM provide, as time goes on, you are entitled to a percentage of all the contributions of the people under your structure, because you become a team manager or a leader. So you have team or some group of people under you. So for all the people under your structure, within your structure, you have a percentage of their contributions. Now, just as I've said, now the bonuses are quite good. They are quite good. Think of all this. If you pledge higher amount of money. Now, so we now look at it again. Another fifth bonus is when you get help, you should write a letter of happiness, and you can attach a video. If you create a video alongside with it for testimony, then you could have 10%, you could have 5%, you could have 4% of the amount of help you receive. That is get help. So another point again is you will surely be financially free from the economic slavery of financial institutions. I count this as the summary of the whole benefit or the gain you will have. You will no more be a slave to your bank. Let's look at how you can start right away and free of charge to start making money from MMM right from today. What you can do is just click the link below this video to visit the site, and once you get to the site, you will look at the top right hand corner, and you will see the registration button there. Click it, fill in all the details there, then fill in the captcha, and you click registration in MMM. After the welcome message or the success message, now click on login to MMM, which is just at the top right corner beside the button of registration. Click it. It will allow you to go to log in into your personal office. Your personal office is where you have all your details and where you visit all the time, advisably every day. Now, once you are in personal office, click account at the top to fill in your bank details. Now, once you are through with that, because without that, you will not be able to provide help. Then after that, you click provide, go back through your dashboard and click provide help. Now, once you provide help, now once you're in personal view, you click account, you contribute, provide help, and complete the section, plug in the amount. Then I recommend also that you try to browse throughout the site to familiarize yourself with the rules of the community. You are free to come and join us. You're free. So thank you for watching this video. I would advise that you click the link below to register and start earning today. Thank you.